Tax implications of a 401k to Gold IRA rollover. In retirement planning, many investors turn to precious metals for stability. Yet, the tax implications of a 401k to Gold IRA rollover can be costly if mishandled. Understanding IRS rules is critical to avoid unnecessary taxes and penalties while preserving your retirement savings. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a 401k to Gold IRA rollover? This process transfers funds from a traditional 401k into a self-directed IRA that allows investment in IRS-approved physical metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. The goal is to diversify and protect against inflation and market swings. Key tax rules and how to avoid penalties. 1. 60-day rollover rule. If you choose an indirect rollover, funds must be deposited into the new IRA within 60 days. Missing the deadline means the money is taxed as income and, if under 59.5, you may face a 10% penalty. Best strategy: use a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer to eliminate this risk. 2. 1 rollover per year rule. The IRS allows only one IRA to IRA rollover every 12 months. Exceeding this can trigger double taxation and disqualification. Best strategy: stick with direct transfers, which are exempt from this limit. 3. Custodian and metal requirements. Not every custodian or gold product qualifies. Only IRS-approved custodians and metals meeting strict fineness standards, for example, 99.5% gold, are acceptable. Best strategy: choose an experienced, IRS-approved custodian and store metals in a sanctioned depository. Penalties to watch for: 1. Early withdrawal penalty, 10% if under 59.5. 2. Taxable income inclusion, the entire amount may be taxed if mishandled. 3. Disqualification of IRA status, improper transfers can undo tax-deferred benefits. Executing a 401k to Gold IRA rollover requires careful compliance. By using direct rollovers, selecting qualified custodians, and following IRS guidelines, investors can avoid costly mistakes. When done properly, this strategy shields retirement assets and ensures long-term financial security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.